Hi guys, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Let me tell you now. It's equity time. From now onwards, every Monday, 9 a.m. Singapore time, 10 minutes is all you need to spend with us. We shall pick a wonderful stock, and this stock could come from Singapore market, Malaysia market, Hong Kong market, China market, or even the US market. We call it the OTOP 1910. One target, one purpose, Monday, 9 a.m., 10 minutes. Be forewarned, we are not recommending you any stock to buy, but we just want to share our view on a very powerful single stock or perhaps possibly a high demand commodity for that particular week. So, what should you do on your part? Just leave a little finger, subscribe to us and be our follower. Then turn it on every Monday, 9 a.m. Singapore time and join us. Be forewarned again. I will snatch your 10 minutes on every Monday morning, alright, while you fag a cigarette, while you're on the train to work, or maybe listen to us while you drive, sitting in your comfortable chair somewhere, or when you're having your nice aromatic morning coffee. Remember, OTOP 1910 is now here for you. Stay tuned, don't go away, and I shall be right back. Hi all, welcome back to the OTOP 1910. This is the second episode on DW World. OTOP stands for One Target, One Purpose. Every Monday, 9 a.m. and 10 minutes is all you need to spend with us. And last week, we have received some of the viewers that checked with us saying that if they enter into a market, all right, how would they control the risk? Then again, we want to put a disclaimer, all right. This OTOP 10 is produced simply to share with all the viewers on our opinions, our views on commodities, stocks, and it could be FX. But we do not encourage anybody, all right, to take up positions or to treat the investment and trading like a gambling activities. But in any case, if anybody is involved in stock trading, the usual risk control range in the market is practiced at not more than 10% from your entry price. Whereas for FX trading instruments, the stop loss, or we call the risk control range, it should be controlled at no more than 2% from your entry price. And these are all based on a short-term trading anyway, from 5 to 10 days trading period. All right, today we are going to share with you again on another instrument that we foresee, all right, this week, in a week of 10 August year 2020, that it could be the most potential instrument that you could be considered and to continue on the observation in this instrument. All right, let's take a look at dollar index first. Dollar index, as everybody knows, dollar index is measured using the counter currencies on the 6 major instruments on the other side. All right, and while looking at this dollar index on a day chart, all right, let's move back to the day chart. All right, in fact, last week we already mentioned about a potential recovery and moving up on this dollar index. All right, in fact, the market was doing on a sideways at the bottom. All right, as you can see here on the day chart, it is doing actually a W sign recovery, and on Friday there was a turning up on the dollar index that the market closed at 93.40. So how sure are we, or how can we measure on the higher probability of the market going up this week? From a day chart, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart on the dollar index. All right, as you can see on the dollar index, it is a beautiful pattern that on Friday itself there was a crossing on the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average, 4 days and 20 days. And at the same time, there was a momentum just about to turn into the positive zone, which we foresee will be coming Monday on the 10th August year 2020. So if we are looking at the dollar index going to move into a potential recovery, what should we be looking at this week? I'm going to share with you. Okay, let's take a look at the dollar yen currency pair, and it is here. US dollar versus Japanese yen. Okay, as we take a look at this day chart, all right, as this day chart tells us that there is a sign of recovery on last week, and this is the day chart, all right, over the last 5 days. And on the day chart itself, we could see the momentum is also now trying to turn up to the zero benchmark, which very high chance we're going to see a confluent crossing of the EMA 4 and 20, all right, together with the momentum on 20 days going into positive zone in the early part of coming week. And I repeat, the date is on 10 August year 2020. All right, when we move out and take a look at a weekly chart, perhaps to give us another higher probability on winning chances. All right, if you look at this week chart, take note, this is a week chart on the dollar yen. All right, if you look at this pattern here, the first bottom and second bottom and third bottom, all right, this is what we call a potential W sign recovery, or another way how we look at it is we call it inverted head and shoulder. So this is the left shoulder, this is the inverted head, and this is going to be the inverted right shoulder moving up. All right, a weekly chart which concludes and give us the forecast that a potential upturn will be coming soon. And of course, if we look across on a week chart from 2017 until now, okay, you would have realized that this bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has been a very strong support, which lies in the range of about 104.80. Okay, 104.80 is going to be about 104.80 to 105. So on the weekly chart, it confirms that the market is strong. So on the day chart again, let's take a second look, all right, that the market has shown an initial momentum of moving up. And last but not least, let us take a look at the 4-hour chart here. Okay, the 4-hour chart has shown a very beautiful upturn with the crossing of EMA 4 and 20 together with the momentum already now moving to the zero benchmark. So this week, all right, we would put a forecast on the dollar yen sitting on a very high probability of turning up, okay, and the momentum is prone to grow and possibly back up to this stagnation level, all right, which was previously shown at 107.2, all right, and the market closed at about 105 on Friday. So OTOP 1910 is here again to share with you on this second episode. All right, one target, one purpose. Monday morning, 9 a.m. and 10 minutes is the maximum time you're going to spend with us. All right, so this week, let's take a very close look at dollar yen. This is the DW World. OTOP 1910 will be waiting for you again next week in the third episode. Bye-bye.